Amazon review for today. Nice little MagSafe phone dock and charger. We have everything displayed here. The actual phone itself is already on the actual devices here. I'll take it off so you can see what it looks like. Here's what it's going to look like, the actual docking station. And like I said, it also will use as a charger all in the same time. So if you're needing just to mount your phone, use it for maps, use it for reading, watch videos, you can have that mounted here and have the device charge all at the same time, all in one. It's perfect. Now the actual connecting tool is just through the vent here. They do include just a mounting device there, so if you wanted just to mount it on your dashboard or anywhere on your car, this is included here. Now the actual device has the MagSafe, and that's what it's going to charge it. But it's like, what happens if I don't have MagSafe? So they actually do have a little ring included. So if you don't have a MagSafe iPhone, you can put this, or a MagSafe phone, you can put this on the back of your device and have it there. So all in one, the actual device can be used for multiple devices. And like I said, if your phone has a MagSafe case, this will also work for this device as well. So we'll just put it on just like that. It already picked up charging. Like I said, it's mounted, it's charging all in one there. Now we can have it there. Peace.